Hey guys, it's Nathan with Southwestern Electric. Out today, it's an early October day, kind of an early fall day, overcast. Sun's not really out, it's kind of a nice low 70s day. And I'm out here in Godfrey at the Nature Institute off of Levis Lane in Godfrey. And it's a really neat place. Full disclosure, I worked in Alton for a number of years. I worked at the Alton Telegraph. And even though we would write about this place and would have it in our newspaper, I never actually got a chance to get out here and see it. And so today's my first chance getting out here to actually see what it's all about. And it's actually very cool. A very sort of serene, another one of these hidden gems where it's right here off of a fairly urban area. Godfrey's pretty industrialized, but you just take a couple of streets and suddenly you're out in nature. They've got a very nice paved sort of low impact beginning walking trail. You can step up from there. This trail that I'm on is probably a little bit more advanced, and it goes all the way up to, there's a 3-mile trail that's rugged terrain, and so they've got sort of any skill level, any sort of difficulty that you're looking for in terms of walking trails. They've got, and scenic view of the Mississippi River, kind of an overlook that they've got that's just really spectacular. Just a nice little getaway, just a nice little opportunity to get out and take in some nature. Like I said, today it's really sort of doing well for my soul, getting out here and kind of feeling like fall's coming after a pretty warm and long summer. So I would definitely suggest getting out and checking it out. You can read more about it in the upcoming issue of the Southwestern magazine in November. We'll have some photos, we'll have a little more text about what it is that T&I is about, and definitely would recommend checking that out as well. All right, see you later.